In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Google Sheets to Notion using Zapier. Start by opening Zapier in your web browser and making sure you are on the Zapier home screen. This is the main dashboard where you can manage automations, account settings, and connected apps. If you are not already signed in, sign into your Zapier account so you can access your connections. Next, look for App Connections and click it. This section is where Zapier keeps track of all the apps you have authorized, like Google Sheets and Notion. It is a useful place to visit anytime you need to add a new integration, refresh permissions, or confirm that an account is connected correctly. Once you are on the Connections page, click into the Connections area shown on the screen. You may see a list of apps, existing accounts, or connection options. The goal here is to get to the place where you can manage which apps are connected to Zapier. If you have many apps connected already, take a moment to scan the page so you understand what is already linked. Continue by clicking the highlighted area shown in the interface to navigate further into the Connections Management view. This part of the process can look slightly different depending on your Zapier layout, but you are staying within the App Connections section and moving toward the option to add a new connection. Now click Add Connection. This is the key action that starts the linking process between Zapier and the apps you want to use, such as Google Sheets and Notion. When you add connections, Zapier will typically prompt you to choose an app and then authorize it. Make sure you are using the correct Google and Notion accounts, especially if you manage more than one. After selecting the app connection options shown on screen, continue clicking through the highlighted prompts to finish the connection flow. As you confirm each selection, Zapier will register the authorization and store it as an available connection for your future Zaps. Finally, complete the last highlighted confirmation so the connection is saved. Once this is done, your Google Sheets and Notion accounts will be available inside Zapier when you build automations. And that covers everything you need to know.